Hi, this is the anti-creep locomotive brake frame. As you can see, we have from the side, the top is the locomotive chassis frame, and then the brake rod system runs on the outside, and it has two couple symmetric weights that push with the drafter gear. Over here's the drafter gear. The drafter gear moves in and pushes the brake cylinders. So we have two draft gears, and they push the brake cylinders in. And then we have down schematic. So over here is a brake cylinder, and this one is the line that goes into the cab, which goes to a handbrake. So you can, it's on a chain. I didn't know how to do a chain, so I just did like a sweep pattern. So you tighten up that tightens up the handbrake, which controls this central anti-creep fluid with a draft gear not shown in this, but I do have it. Pushes in this solenoid, and then these compress the brakes, and then it runs on an outside circuit with a rope that hatches to the door. And then the hatch comes over here down to this side, and then it rings, and then it pulls one way, so it pulls the other way. So now you have both directions lying. And let's see, if I pause the tape, I'll bring it back to. Okay, now I brought you into the model space, and so here is the actual draft gear. So the draft gear pushes on this solenoid, which runs on a bracket to the truck brackets, which control the center wheel braking. The draft gear is on as you can see, there's a rack here. It's on a circle. This is the outside dial. It hooks up the to the drawbar pulley where the coupler goes into the draft gear box, pushes on the anti-creep weights, and the anti-creep contract to do the brakes. And then on the other side, there's another draft gear, and those are vertical lateral resistant as well. And then we'll look at the bottom real quick here. Well, this is what it looks like flipped upside down. Also, these can be replaced with a AB1 valve on this end, or a bigger brake valve like this, but larger. And we'll just look at the, which one are we on? Here we go. This shows the draft gear brakes into the pushing this. In this one goes up to this SolidWorks sweep right here, goes into the cab where it would go up to a chain. So this is like a chain that goes up into the locomotive. This is the locomotive solid bars. The draft gear, these draft gear the braking arrangement goes underneath the floorboards of the train, and then comes back around the other end. So this is the anti-creep draft gear braking system that I came up with for my locomotive. Let's look what some of the top would it look like from the top, and then we'll do. Let's see. So maybe this one. No. How about this one? So this is what it looks like from the overhead, and you can see the hidden lines. And this is the front end, this is the back end, and that's the anti-creep drawing.